In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a map on Figma using Mapsicle and Figmap plugin. We'll start inside your Figma file with your canvas open. Look toward the bottom of the Figma interface for the action icon. This opens the Quick Actions menu, which is the fastest way to run tools without digging through multiple menus. Click that icon to bring up the command palette. In the palette, switch the focus to Plugins and Widgets. This narrows your results so you're only seeing tools that extend Figma, which makes the next step much quicker and avoids unrelated commands. In the search field, type Figmap. You should see Figmap. Mapmaker appear in the list. Go ahead and click it to launch the plugin. Figmap will open in a panel. If you already have a frame selected on your canvas, the plugin can place the map right inside that frame, which helps keep your layout tidy. If not, no worries. You can move and resize the map afterward. Next, enter the address for the location you want to show. You can use a full street address, a city, or a well-known place name. Be as specific as you can to get the most accurate result. If the plugin supports coordinates, those work too, which is handy for pinpointing landmarks or campus buildings. Before placing the map, take a moment to check any available options in the plugin, like zoom level or style, so the map matches your design. A tighter zoom is great for a venue or store locator. A wider zoom works for neighborhood or city overviews. When you're ready, click Draw Map to Figma. Figmap will generate the map on your canvas. From here, you can scale it, position it within a frame, and layer UI elements on top, like pins or labels. If the map imports as an image, scale down rather than up to keep it crisp. If it imports as vectors, you can tweak colors and strokes to match your system, but keep changes consistent so the map stays readable. Consider locking the map layer once it's placed to prevent accidental nudges while you design around it. A quick note on alternatives. Mapsicle follows a very similar flow from the same plugins menu. It's a great option if you prefer different styling choices or data sources. The key idea is the same. Open the plugin, search your location, set the zoom, and insert. That's it. You've added a map to Figma using Figmap with Mapsicle as a flexible alternative. Save your file, name the layers clearly, and you're ready to continue designing.